we can go outside. I wish that we can go outside, alright? Welcome back to a brand new video. See that? Do that. I paid to have that in the video, so do that. I want my money's worth. Alright, so today there is a BMW M2 quite near me, so I'm gonna have a look at it because I've been looking at them and M4s and M3s and 140s and 240s and everything like that. And I know I kept like sort of slagging off the M2 because of the seats and the engine and that, but at the end of the day I do think it looks sick, and all the reviews I've watched on it have all been really good. I've never drove one, so hopefully maybe able to get a test driving one today, but yeah, I'm driving down to see one today. I have been looking at other cars and test drive other cars, but I feel like the M2 I'll bring you guys along for because it is one of them cars where it's very opinionated, like a lot of people like, but people don't like. So hopefully you guys can give me your opinion as well. Also, I've got a bunch of orders to send off today, so if you haven't grabbed the new lanyards already, send it. I think I literally have like 5 left in stock, so make sure you go do that. I also have the Send It stickers in oil slick back in stock, so check that out. Never mind me talking anymore. Let's go have a look at some cars and just have a good time. Also, I've done a baby face because when I'm on holiday, the sun turned my big old beard blonde, so I had to go for the full baby face, so hope you appreciate that. Wow, it's amazing. Love life. Jeez, look at that beautiful beautiful car. That is worth at least 7 to 10 grand on trading. I'm down at Essex Prestige in Harlow by like the Tesco. I don't know how the lighting's working, and my cheek, what is the hair going on? Yeah, God knows what that's saying. But yeah, a bit of Matt there. We've got some Bentleys, we've got some Range Rovers, but we're not interested in that. We want the Beamers brew, so gonna have a wander around, see what we can find. Hopefully find something I like, because it is a nightmare looking for cars at the moment for me. I like the, is that wrap? Yeah, that's wrap. I like that. Nice little A1 here. Go on Nathan, R22. Love that. It's a white Focus RS here. In white they do look pretty sick. I never used to like them in white, but it looks a bit like a Stormtrooper and I rate that. A nice little Evoque. Some nice pretty cars. Carbon fiber badges on that. Jeez, that's got to be quick, that GT Dead. Whew. Carbon badges. Fuck. Scirocco B, what are you doing? Why are you up there, bro? I found her, boys. I found her. White M2. 66 reg, love that. M2. The one problem is the seats. I do quite like the dry carbon interior. I didn't think I'd like the dry sort of carbon look, but it is really nice. And the white is pretty banging. That's yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, M2, white. I don't know. I never like dealerships because I hate speaking to them and they try and like force you into buying stuff. So they should be right though. We're gonna try and get a test drive. I think that's a yellow A35 AMG there as well. They're pretty sick, so I might have a look at that quick. But it's a shame this is like cornered in because I can't really walk around it much. We'll see if we can get the keys and ask them to get them out or something. But yeah, fresh Benz A35 AMG, little yellow bumblebees. The one thing I don't like about this paint is just really boring. There's no like metallic in it. The interior on these are beautiful. Mercedes know how to pull off an interior, but the paint, in my personal opinion, is shit. And then this is obviously by the number plate M4. Best convertible. I really don't like the convertibles. I just think they look a bit shit. Like you don't get the carbon roof, and it just, I don't know, gives a weird hunchback sort of look to it. But the seat's different as well on the convertible. Didn't really realise that. And it's, I don't know, just convertibles ain't for me, I don't think. But yeah, it's one of the ones where I love the M4s, love the M2s, but I do not know which one I prefer, and they're about the same price range to be honest. So I don't know. Let's see. Hello, what's going on here? But yeah, the interior is actually pretty sick. I quite like the dry carbon. The dashboard's a bit more just like a different styling towards the M4, but the interior is very similar. I quite prefer the door cards with this sort of Alcantara and that, or the suede, whatever you want to call it. It's just a very nice, clean sort of looking one. This is obviously semi-auto, not the manual one, but manuals are really hard to find. I don't really know if I'd want a manual, and it's got a sunroof, but the one problem I've already found with it is, look there, just gonna focus. If you look down there, it goes the whole way down around. So I'm guessing it's had like a 3/4 respray, and they've not masked off the seals very well. I might be wrong, but that's kind of what I think. Which is kind of a letdown, because this is at a decent-ish price for them too. With a sunroof and that. And the mileage ain't too bad, but that's a bit of a letdown. So, in a very interesting turn of events, I've ended up at Ford looking at Mustangs, and I just got a quote on one, and it was a good price. But they won't let me test drive one because insurance, so I'm not buying one without test driving one, so I have to go elsewhere to test drive one, which is annoying. But I just thought I'd have a look at Mustangs. It's something I never thought I'd look at or buy, but it's always been like one of them sort of dream gold cars growing up. And when I went to Vegas, me and my dad got one, and they were sick, so I don't really know how modifiable they are, and they can supercharge them, but I have to have a look into it. But yeah, this one's here. I'm guessing this is the newer facelift with like the hood scoop and the quad exhaust. So I'd get the older one because this one's 42 grand. But obviously it's got like all leather seats. I don't think it'll be the Recaris, but I said if I'll get one, I want it manual. I don't want it convertible. But this is sort of like, I think they are sick. Like, they are really nice, cool looking cars. No one in England and UK actually has one, which is also a benefit, and it's the Ford scene going back to sort of thing. But it's how modifiable are they is the problem I'm facing. So we'll see. I couldn't test drive that M2 either, which is fucking annoying. And then I went to a BMW dealership and I was there, and they had none. And then the one they sent me to, I couldn't test drive it there either. So I have been looking at M2s. Looked at the 140s because a lot of people said about them, but I don't know, I can't make my mind up. But yeah, Mustang could work. Let me know down below right now. Mustangs, BMs, what do you say, M-Power or Mustang Power? Obviously crowd killer and crowd pleaser, I guess you could say. This is a special edition Mustang. I don't know, I don't know what ones this is. Fuck knows, I'm not good knowledge, but it does look sick as fuck. Also, like I said, obviously, I said I don't want the 2.3, I want the 5 litre. This is 50 years anniversary of Mustang. This is cool, I like this. That's a pretty sick whip. Oh my god, it's so sunny. It's September. Hello. Right. Is that then? Is that then? Yeah. So, oh my god, my eyes, I can't look at that. Right, give me a sec, give me a sec, give me a sec. There's a shade going on. Right, yeah. I noticed that the whole video there's like a smudge or like a smear over the lens. I'm hoping it's gone now. I just got like some wipes and cleaned it. But it seemed to me more when I was in direct sunlight, so I'm just gonna check it. Let me know if it's fixed now. I hope it is. But yeah, I've been making some more calls since that day, because this was like 3-4 days ago that video was filmed. What's he doing? And yeah. I just don't know. I don't know what the right move is. I put a story out saying like M2s and M4s. I don't really have M4 money, so I'm not really looking at them too much. But then I do like the 140s, like I said, and I do like the M2s. I went to BMW dealership and they had none there either, which is always helpful. But yeah, I'm still just looking about. So please let me know. I've had second thoughts on the Mustang idea now, though, to be fair. Especially since fucking living like fast, just bought a Dodge Hellcat. Who the fuck? Where did that come from? That blew my mind. That's fucking insane. But yeah, so please let me know what you think. I'm running out of time. I need one soon, very soon, like ASAP Rocky, needing that. So like I keep saying, please do help me where you can. Leave them comments, leave them likes, hit them subscribe buttons, check out the pages, check out the merch we already spoke about, and make sure to go check out B7 Performance. If you have anything, quick thing, I had a bunch of orders go literally missing. I don't know what happened to them, and then my supplier disappeared, and yeah, I've had problems, but I've fixed everything now, thank God for that. So yeah, everything's back up and running. That wasn't for like parts, that was just on t-shirts and sun strips, but I fixed it. It was a pain in the arse, but it's fixed. And look at this top I got from the top man yesterday. It's sick. For future is in our hands. Inspirational. Truly inspirational. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Hope you have a new car soon, because I'm getting fucking pissed off now. Peace.